going to open a slit, like 4 inches slit for the back, and then I'll close it with button so that the head can easily pass through it. So you fold it like this into 2 again, and then I'm going to measure down the slit opening that I want for this. Like I said, around 4 inches is fine. So I'll go ahead now and slash open the midpoints by that 4 inches. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut facing and sleeve for this. Facing is just a smaller version. So you put your fabric on fold and then cut out a smaller version of what you have. Okay, so now I've gone ahead to cut the sleeve. Like I said, I'm using a basic sleeve for mine. So I have the 2 sleeves here, and for the main fabric as well, I have cut out facing for the 2 of them. And like I said, facing is just a smaller version of the main fabric, so you can see. So I'm going to use the facing to turn the necklines that I am working with. Okay, and here where we slashed it, I will put a loop so that I can push buttons for it to be easy to wear. So after that, what you just need to do after turning it, I'll just place the front and back on each other. I'm going to sew it on the shoulder, then I'll fix my sleeve and show this side so that I can show you how to do the high-low effects. Okay, so you can see now that I have sewn it. I turned the neckline. The neckline is neatly turned now, and I added the loop to the back so that I can fix a button here. So you go ahead and iron it. So this is the shoulder. I've sewn the shoulder as well, and I added my basic sleeve to it. So to create the high-low effect, remember the front is the high while the back is the low. So what I'm going to do is to fold like this. These are my 2 side seams on the hem. So I'm going to match it together and then fold it in such a way that I'll have my center front separate like this. Let me place it like this so that I can see it better. So these are my side seam, and together make sure you arrange it well. This is my center front and this is my center back. I'm not going to touch the center back because it's already the length that I want. So the length that I want to reduce is just for the center front. So it depends on how high you want your center front to be. Remember, our full length was 36 inches. So now let's say I want my center front to have maybe a length of 26 inches. I can remove 10 inches from the full length, which is this. If it's shifting, I'm using a crepe fabric. You can use your pin to hold it down so that it's not going to give you stress. It's not going to stress you too much. Okay, so now, like I said, this is my center front here. So now from the hem, you can go ahead and mark from 10 inches upwards from the hem. So let's say this is 10 inches. I can even do this in bits so that you can see it. First, if you cut small, you will check. If you are not okay with it, you can go ahead and cut again. It's better than just cutting and then it will be too much. That way you will not have any remedy. So I'm pinning it now. So after doing this, The next thing is to connect from, you can use your free hand or you use a core. So I'm going to connect from that center point where I marked at the center front to the side seam, which is here. So you can connect it like this. You can connect it in a U form, anyhow you want it to be. Then you blend it in with what you have coming from the back. I hope you understand that. So after connecting it, you're going to take your scissors and you cut it out. On the front, this is the center front, this is the side of the two sides, this is the center front. So you go up from the center front, not the center back, because the center front is the high part while the center back is the low part. So now from here you can cut it anyhow you want it to be, and I'm cutting towards the side, and I'm going to blend it to the back. Okay, just like this. So now this is what we have. So if you open it out now, you will see that what you have at the front now is shorter than what you have at the back. You can see the difference that you have there. So now you're going to go ahead, take it to your sewing machine now, and then you hem it all around. So I'm going to hem it and take it to the mannequin so that I can see what it looks like. I have gone ahead to hem it, and this is what it looks like. You can see how beautiful it is looking. So the front can be as high as you want. It depends on you and your preference. You just need to increase or decrease your measurement. This is what the back looks like, and you can see that the back is very long. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful tutorial with me. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comment section. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.